Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to find the length of the list, meaning how many elements it contains. So the length of a list refers to the total number of items inside it. So in Python we use len function to find the length of a list. Okay, we have variable. And what's the value of this variable? It's a list. So how many elements it contains? It contains 5 elements. So for finding this, what I told you, we can use len function. So inside the len function, I give my variable name. So let's print it. If I print it, you see 5 appears on the screen. Because the list contains 5 elements in total. If I delete one, for example, I run it again, you see 4 appears on the screen. So you can use this len method to find the length of any list. Super.